We've heard good things about Burger King's Bacon King, so in this episode of Fast Food You Can Do at Home, we thought we'd show you how it's done. So here's what you're going to need. 8 ounces of good quality minced beef, 8 slices of smoked bacon, 2 slices of American cheese, a sesame seed bun, mayonnaise and ketchup. So the first thing to do is to take your ground beef and divide that into 2 halves. Start forming the first half into a burger patty. Now you want the burger patty to be quite big but also thin. It's also important to make sure the burger is a uniform thickness to make sure it cooks evenly. Once you've formed your patty, season both sides with salt, pepper and garlic powder. Do the same thing with the other half of the mince and you'll be ready to light up the grill. Now you could use any sort of cast iron or a frying pan, but we're using a steel plancha to cook this. Make sure your cooking surface is up to temperature. You want at least 250 degrees Celsius. Now start by laying on your 8 strips of bacon. Now let that cook for about a minute until it starts to get some colour on the first side. And once it's had a minute, just flip it all over. Now let that cook for about another minute. Now the bacon's pretty much cooked through, so it's time to move it to the cooler side of the plancha where it will continue to cook and to crisp up. Scrape any debris off the cooking surface and now it's time to put your burgers on. There's no need to add any oil to the cooking surface. There should be enough fat in the burgers so they don't stick. Now because you've made the burgers quite thin, they're going to cook quite quickly, so they're only going to take about 2 minutes aside. And once the burgers have been on for 2 minutes, it's time to flip them over. Now flip your bacon over and make sure that's all crisping up nicely. Cook for another 2 minutes and you should be about done. And now your 2 minutes is up, it's time to take your bacon off the griddle, put it on some kitchen towel just to remove any of that excess fat. Finally, take off your burgers and it's time to put this all together. So start with the bottom half of your bun, then a burger patty, add a slice of American cheese, then your second patty, second slice of cheese, and then layer your crispy bacon onto the top. Put a swirl of mayonnaise onto the bacon, and then add a swirl of ketchup. Finally, finish that off with the top of your sesame seed roll. And there you have it, Burger King's Bacon King done by yourself at home. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a click on the like button, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more great barbecue videos. Thanks for watching.